Alright guys, so what we're going to do is we're going to take all of the decals and pinstriping off with this nifty rubber wheel that keeps one from fall off. So, see what I mean? That's really a design flaw. Goddamn drill. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and use this rubber wheel to take these decals off. Give you an idea how it works. Start right here. And that way you don't have to mess with any chemicals or any kind of harsh abrasions. And you're going to lightly sand anyway before you paint to make the paint stick right anyway, because you don't want to just spray it with it slick. You want to scuff up the surface. So same as you did with the wood paneling inside. You got to scuff it up. I use about a 50 to 80 grit paper, just lightly scuff it up. And put my base coat on, top coat, then sealer, and you're good to go. But yeah, look at that. That is amazing. Take that pinstripe right off. So I figure it'll probably take at least 2 rubber wheels to do both sides. But that's pretty impressive.
It is.
I anticipate some problems when I get down to more of the aluminum decals. Like this aluminum decal is kind of hard to come off. So more than likely I'm just going to have to sand that down with the orbital. But if I can get most of the pinstriping off, I can live with the rest, or I can work with the rest. I've decided we're going to replace all the lights with LEDs. So instead of trying to find matching parts, we're just going to rip them all out and splice in new. I've got the pigtail for the front. Today John's going to sew this side of the canvas. And I was going to work on the canoe while he did that, but I might work on taking off the pinstriping on the front today. Because I didn't think it was going to... I anticipated this to be as big of a nightmare as polishing the canoe. Because I tell you guys what, polishing that canoe, it's going to look gorgeous when it's done, but I'm never going to do it again. Never. This, though, yeah, I could do this. I mean, I'm using the cordless drill, so it's not even got that much power going to it. And it just zips at, like... Just zips it right off. Look at that. That's amazing.
I think Charles has got a new favorite tool, guys.
Well, I mean, it's a little annoying that it keeps falling off the damn drill, but overall, I mean, that's going to speed things up quite a bit, and yeah, I'm excited. Now, you do have to be careful because it can burn the paint. So if you're like using one of these to take pinstriping off like a classic car or something like that and you want to save the paint, be mindful of that. But I'm not so concerned about it burning the paint because I'm going to sand it and paint it anyway. So get the decals off, new lights on, tape it, sand it, paint it, and then for the most part, the rehab will be done. I'm going to paint the roof, but the roof's going to be white. We're going to buy new wheels and paint the trailer frame black. She's done. That's it. Inside is all done. Well, we're going to lay some contact paper, which John will show you later. But we're probably going to pick different contact paper because the contact paper I bought is not wide enough. All right, so we'll check in with you guys when that's all done and see what that looks like. Ah, it keeps falling.
All right, so I think by the end of the day that thing's going to be super glued onto the drill bit.
I don't know if that'll help because there's so much torque, and I thought of that too.
I think it's going to happen.
I might try it.
We'll see.